The hot summers and cold winters in our area can have a big impact on your monthly energy costs. If you're like me, you probably pay roughly the same each month for your cell phone, internet, and other services. So wouldn't it be nice if your energy bill was more predictable too? Well, now it can be with Levelized Billing. Let's learn more. Nobody likes surprises on their bills, right? Well, instead of bills that are higher during winter and summer than they are in spring and fall, EPB can give you a more level bill year-round. It's called Levelized Billing. Hi, I'm Carrie with EPB, and I'm here with EPB Energy Pro Angela Henry to learn more about it. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Carrie.
All right, first question, what is Levelized Billing?
Well, it's a monthly billing plan that helps keep your bills more consistent year-round, even when the weather isn't. Levelized billing is ideal for maintaining a budget.
Okay, great. So how do we come up with my monthly bill?
Well, with traditional billing, you are billed for a particular month based on what you use. That means your bills are going to fluctuate more depending on the season, so you'll have higher bills if the weather's more extreme. Let's take a look.
Okay.
The red line represents this customer's actual energy use throughout the year. Like most people, they're using more energy to keep their home comfortable in the extreme hot and cold weather months. You can also see dips in their energy use during the milder months. That's because their HVAC isn't running nearly as much, so their bill is less expensive. So overall, their bills vary widely from month to month, but with levelized billing, they wouldn't. Okay, see the green line? That's the levelized billing amount. If you notice, it doesn't move very much throughout the year. That's because with levelized billing, we calculate your bill each month based on the average of your last 12 months of usage. Now you can see the bills fluctuate just a little bit up and down throughout the year. That's because the average used for determining your levelized billing amount also reflects changes in usage as the seasons change. But with levelized billing, the difference in your monthly bill is very slight and not nearly as drastic as the extreme highs and lows of traditional billing. In other words, with levelized billing, your bill stays roughly the same, so you'll know what to expect each month.
That sounds great. So what's required to sign up for Levelized Billing?
All that's required is that we have 12 consecutive months at your location so that we can come up with your average bill to get you started.
Okay, I have one more question. I've been on budget billing for a while now. How is that different than Levelized Billing?
Well, with budget billing, you can have a true up. And with levelized billing, the great thing is you're going to pay for exactly what you're using, not a penny more, not a penny less.
Thanks, Angela. If you want to say goodbye to surprise energy bills, sign up for Levelized Billing. It only takes a few minutes, so give us a call today. And be sure to watch our other videos in this series for more insight into your home's energy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.